Mr. Kipto, thank you. Now, Mwalimu had left it at site, components of site, preliminaries. So from there, I'm going to take you to another place, and that is going to be importance of site preliminaries. And this one, I would like us to think, just personally, think of what gives us importance. We have to do this. Why we have to do what the actual work begins on the site. I want you to think as one person. You have 5 seconds. I want you to share what you thought with your neighbor. Alright, now what you've learned, I'd like each and every one of you among us to give me what they have come up with. So let us start from here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
According to our discussion, we have this answer, which is cost management.
Cost management. Thank you very much. Thank you. Another one? Yes.
I will go for site management. Site management.
Okay. Site management. Yeah, another one. Try to be fast. You're running into time.
What about accessibility?
Thank you very much. Very important. Then another one. Yes.
Remove the debris.
True.
Remove debris.
Oh, the breeze. That is, let's say, just clearance.
Okay.
The breeze. The breeze. This means also we can remove the topsoil, to get the right ground. Then that is something of key importance. Health and safety. So, from these points, I would like us to break them down.
And
when I say,
and this one
yes,
to determine the amount of air you pass through.
yeah, that's why you carry the service. We tell you so interesting video.
Yeah.
That time, load, bearing, sorry. Now there's one thing here you forgot. Wherever you go to a new site, something of importance. Ukienda huko usikimbishwe. So which point can this be? I've come here, we have put land here, we want to put up a site. What is the first thing I must confirm before I get into that shaman? What will that site? Yeah, security. Thank you. Thank you very much. You can't go to a site and you just start doing things on that site before you approve of the documentations. You have to have the legal procedures on taken care of. Okay? Yeah, so there we have documentation. So in a short while, I'll cover them. Let's start with cost management. It is very important Because cost management, you'll be able to know what will be needed. You will use manual means of clearing, or you will need a backhoe or an excavator or a bulldozer. Okay, that's now cost management. And when we come to site management, you will know fencing, where will we fence up to. Then we come to accessibility, the roads there. Are you able to deliver the materials to the site? Are we together? And then there is removal, that will help us in the or clay soils. Then we have health and safety. When you are carrying out a site visit, it is important. You will know what you're going to use there. Point number one, you have to know, who's that getting into my class? Please have a seat. Yeah. When you get safety comes very important. You have to have gumboots. Yeah. For example, when you go to that site outside there, because it's swampy, you need gumboots. You will need overall. Yes, another thing. Helmet, very important. Another one. Yes.
Also reflectors.
Thank you very much. Now, after this, we're going to cover something else here. Thank you very much. Now this one, in groups of three. In groups of three. Imagine yourself, you've been sent to, let's say, most popular place where is to Kahawa. I think most of you have been to Kahawa. Kahawa, yeah. So you've been sent there to go and assess a site. So what challenges would you expect? I'd like every group to come up with 2 points. Please, let's discuss it. Take your time. I need 2 straight points. Thank you. Can you be back, all of us?
Yes.
I think you chit-chatted 1, 2. At least I think we have points. I'll start from my back. Yeah, from my back.
Yes, we've talked about terrain.
Yes.
As a challenge.
Yeah.
Maybe your site is located in a hilly place.
Yes.
Maybe it's very steep. So accessing it may be difficult because of that slope. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Another one? Yes.
Okay, now let me start. We were thinking about accessibility.
Yes.
Accessibility is a very a challenge if the site is not very accessible. Yes.
Thank you. Another key point?
Weather.
Weather. Very good. Hali ya maji. Kila kitu iko na maji. Soil has water. It is raining all day. So you will be able to use machines. Yeah, another one we can look at. There's something I'm not giving you guys. I'm sure you know it. Yes?
I was thinking about what about legal issues?
About?
Legal issues.
Or legal? Yeah, the places you go, you find the problem of how to are ready. No, to go to this country,
Mungiki.
Mungiki. You know there are places you go. Somebody wants you to pay for clothes you already bought. So the best way we will put it is security.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Very important. So security can also fall under what we call safety and safety zero. So safety we can look at it security wise and safety we can look at it health wise. Okay? There are places you get they are infected with the mosquitoes and all that. Okay? Yeah. Water, drinking water, there's no drinking water. Yeah. And we finish with these other points. Legal documentation.
Legal issues.
Legal issues. Yeah. Plot is a making. Thank you. Okay, from here, I think I'll welcome.
Yes, Pastor, we have learned about so many things here. Our learning outcomes, number 1 to 4. Yes, so I hope everyone has enjoyed our session. Yes, I hope you understand what I've taught. So the first, I want to confirm what you have taught. If everybody have plans on it. So from the first learning outcome, who can from there to define what's our site preliminary? The class.
These are activities that are done prior the actual work that is and before the actual work is done.
Yes. Who have another decision? Do you have another decision for site preliminary?
Yes, this one is it's the initial activities or provisions made on a construction site by before main activity.
Okay, thank you. Platform good. What we are about the components of the site preliminary. So let's know what you have known about the components. So volunteer to tell us what's the components of site preliminary. Yes.
One of the components that was listed was site clearance.
Site clearance. Another one. Teresa.
We talked about accessibility
Yes.
as a component of site preliminary.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a good point.
Yeah, we talked about utilities. Yeah. Those ones like toilets. You know, there are some things that have to be put before site release. Like a toilet where to fit drinking water.
So we are students. Urban.
Yes, I can also say about holding. Before you go to a site, make sure that the holding is made.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we have discussed about the components. Oh, do you have another point? Yes.
Legal documentation.
Legal documentation. Explain a bit.
These are documents that they must be approved for by the legal authorities like NCA. For the construction to begin, they must go under several legal process. So for the site to begin.
That's a good point.
What I want to say is setup. Site setup is when how you let us say let's say this is the store.
Yes.
This will be where the construction will take place.
Yes.
The material, the storage for materials, so that will
Storage of material. Yes. That's another point for site components of site. Yes.
I was sharing some more light on Douglas' point about approvals, site approvals.
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted you also include things like title deeds for the site. You know, from the mini chief, you should have some permission so that you can know when people will be coming working here.
Yes. From the non-authorities.
Yeah, non-authorities.
Okay. So we go to the buttons of site preliminary. We have learned about the site. We have known what site linear survey is, and we have known about the components. So we are going to see the importance of site linear survey. We have learned about the importance of linear survey, isn't it? Yes. Okay. What in your mind when you say importance of site linear survey? When you say importance of site linear survey, what comes to your mind?
When you say the importance of site linear survey, what comes in the mind is site management.
That's the one of the importance. Yes, what about that?
What about the accessibility of the site?
You assess the site.
Yes.
Yeah.
If the site is accessible.
Okay.
Yes.
That's you must know if it's accessible or not before the appointment.
Yes.
Another one.
Yeah, the importance, what I understand by the word importance of site preliminary is of what essence is the pre-visit done, reasons it's done, and the necessity of it.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's continue with the importance. What's another one? Yes, good.
What about efficient construction? Efficient construction.
That's another point.
Yes.
Good, bad.
Yes, how about if I say demarcation or demarcation?
For demarcation.
A point of like let's say hoarding. Now when we do the hoarding, we shall have done the demarcation for identity.
Perfect. It's another point. So yes.
Another importance of site preliminary is to determine the reliability of cantilever or cantilevers.
Good point. For guys. Thank you. So we have learned a lot. So let's go to challenges first during the advanced survey. Yes, you have thought well about the challenges. I want you to give me some points. Yes.
Challenge number one
Yes.
surely accessibility.
Accessibility. Yes. Yes, that's this one. Let's be faster. Good. What about
The weather.
weather?
Yes.
Yeah, what is one of the points of challenge? What of the challenges?
Legal issue.
Yes.
Legal issue. Legal issue.
Yes. That's another point. What another point? So
weather. Time.
time.
Yes.
Time is one of the challenges. So thank you. I think you have understand well, and thank you for your accommodation. So before we end, let me give you assignment. This is your assignment. You will go and do at the course of the week. I want assignment on the 16th with your sitter, like next week.